allegedly program is starting ye. A man for threatening my life. A man for threatening my life. And this alleged individuals within the government. Yaba allegedly one year careful. Yaba eliminate your life. And tonight, me President Mahama, our commander in charge of the Ghana Armed Forces, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the chairman of the National Security Council, say the alleged threat and elimination on my life, officially, I will put it in a paper. I will put it on a paper officially. Now, the man say, President John Mahama need duty to protect me, my brother, my life. Because there is a alleged threat on my life. Because of this program. And Onona said here, as a chairman of the National Security Council, the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces to protect life and property. And Nyameya Adoma, Monday, Macra President Mahama officially say allegedly people are threatening my life. People feel say program no, I had buying. And of course, within so F4 binum until I president and I said ye my trainer say and I said yes say the alleged threat on my life. I am a fan say ye alleged. A binum cry a prophecy. O fanning in a sima. I am opposition, a senior opposition party member. And sir, alleged threat on my life, should not be taken for granted. Mini Bambo Bia Fribabi, apart from President Mahama, Osa yes be protecting Ghana for Biano. Most of the threat on my life, most of them, within the government. And of course, yen say every abaimu neighbor, allege, but a president duty to protect my life. The president duty to make sure say here TV be here TV na and winning in a one swasi atimati and some ekoso na mamu papa ekoso. Niabeshi biana nieba bebo hu dauro. Dissemination of information. Yama o mind bia eti ne ekoso wona ban mu no ana me bo dauro aboa no. Nti ye president na said ye. So be protect me. Because or your opposition leader no and niama Ninkrofo ni radio station omo ye aligned to the government ne kan ye no ya ntrete obi alive ya plani say allegedly ye kwakọ eliminate obi life dabi enti sama mo papa na ye man kwan ma ninkrofo timi wo mo views no governance in continuity. A continuous process. Enti wabano. Sa continuous process ni necessary for na sa na okachira Ghana for. Enti ni omontrati bia na mafa ne say ye allege no. I will not take it for granted. Enti as I say, President Mahama me try no officially. Na me ka say as a whole AY3 na koso bia no. It's the president's duty to protect me. And you America, where your IMF. And Timomisa governor so konya free. Na brofuno kra de IMF ye ya de kra kwa. Or say then me sana repeat it. Brofuno de kwa. The International Monetary Fund has forecasted a single-digit inflation rate of 8% for Ghana by the end of 2025. Aligning with the government target for the same period. Let us say any MPP are buying Nanado Baumia government in Sishayen a disuper say MPP so 8% digit inflation by the end of 2025. And IMF's buy also no cry. Mubenya because it said the Mosia Sishenia mano Monsabeka. A Nanado Baumia and Sano Juma. Until a fay ago. And Tijuano, that issue has been settled. And if any propaganda be a someone amodiabano, you're shooting it down. Yeah. Playing for Ghana in 2025. And you can't story now. Story ne can pay face by the end of 2025, you know. Now, on my Ghana, I achieve 8% digit inflation. A Brian ya be 9.97%, you know, a 2021. Now this time, no, you be achieve by the end of 2025, you know, ni achieve single digit inflation. Omoka 8% cry. And ra, mo ba be ka say, mo se mo niama, but I am a predict 18th April 2024. Say 8% digit inflation no ebebam or say the International Monetary Fund has forecasted a single digit inflation rate of 8% for Ghana by the end of 2025, aligning with the government target for the same period. Muntio na MPP abang April 2024. Na MPP aban ye budget muno ni ye stating wom say eniama ye diagu na kwa muno any economic policies no by 2025 no na ye nya 8% digit inflation. And IMF so be predict ye say and she say ya MPP diagu na kwa muno 8% digit inflation by the end of 2025 no wom sabeka enora ye da sori ya. And this year, force governor, so may press conference, your more IMF. Now, ye desire expose when you na ba. Na a threat on our life. No more threatening. But I cannot hide the truth. Mean to me hide it. And the President Mahama, it's your duty to protect me. Mundi finding the difference between betting levy and sports levy. Mass, I have 50/50. I have 50 mass. Define the difference between sports levy and betting levy. Now, person unya mass ni ya. Sports levy no, I have NDC dia. And a betting levy no, I MPP dia. And you also ultimate church ye. Define the difference between sports levy and betting levy. Ghana mabunu mundi fano wa comment section no so na monye mo mass. Na we yawo so deceptive say. Mundi amubatima deceive obia. Ana mu deceive nkrofo ko mu deceive nkrofo kwa ayamo masema na menha me ho me de question ne say Ghana mabuno mo hwa me na nwumre nu they should define the difference between sports levy and betting levy. Now one conclude say every levy be levy there mass ne so no unya 50/50 no Upesa onya 50/50 conclusion no fasem say every levy be levy. All die be die. Into every levy be levy. Define the difference between sports levy and betting levy. Abana yi betting levy a free ho or the sports levy bro. Abana yi betting levy levy a free ho or the dumso levy. Aba eno no de water petrol 3 gallons so utua more than the now tua levy. Abana se wa yi levy a free ho one mention VAT act no e de bia ye den aka ho. These are the issues. And net taxes. Special import levy. Ya mende adoso no e de kwasoro omu de bia ye den aka ho e o masema. Ni nyina nse eno the question this evening say eno na Ghana mabunu mo pa na. Now we are or the sports levy ba or the dumso levy ba wato electricity mu wato everything mu no waba catch us say inflation abafom no wabisa ho say inflation abafom no ene ye electricity ayetua electricity bill ayetua no ene na match ana inflation abafom no ye kwadwama ye de tom ne ye niama tom te say inflation bafoma na kyerɛ sɛ inflation bafoma nkrofo nya sika kodwam ekodidwa yɛtɔ niema inflation bafom aban ne tua contractors ka road contractors tuturo say ɔman Ghana ha road contractors are suffering road contractors are suffering road contractors are suffering at den Ghana ha road contractors and the finance minister bet you road contractor car. And this authority note at the free Jubilee House straight. Say ya finance minister authority note wa. Ontimin tia contractor biaka nisika eye 20 million Ghana cedis eko. And this authority note at the free president ho. Allegedly sana ekoso. And now, finance minister, ebetia road contractor binase nisika no aye 20 million Ghana cedis going na. And this was the direct authority note from the president. Allegedly, sana ekoso and sana yetua contractor neka. Yentua contractors ka, yentua suppliers ka, and ra chase fuoko ye conference. Asema wadi omu yusu yani say. Nientia. Chas intimin participate. A brand education minister te wobie. This year. Sansem ayi mas ayi obi. Men kwa ne me bibi biya shenensa ne me family. Men kwa ba nyinano. Men kwa shenensa. The sending some me kwaba bibi my life as a host of Ohia TV no near Matia eye alleged no me nkwane me bibi shenensa because he is the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and the chairman of the National Security Council and also now I say over protecting life and property and the president protect me makane sa wie no